guys, and welcome back to caferussian.com. Меня зовут Chris. My name is Chris, and today I'm going to teach you two super useful phrases for conversational everyday Russian. You will definitely need them, and they will make your life easier once you're having a live discussion with a native speaker. These two words, not even phrases, just words, are ПРАВДА, and СЕРЬёЗНО. ПРАВДА and СЕРьёзно. ПРАВДА means true. And СЕРьёЗНО, that's an adverb that means seriously. And of course you can use them in their first meaning, but also in an everyday Russian we use them very often when someone is telling you something and you want to show that it's interesting for you, or it's new, you didn't know about it before, or that you are surprised with this information. It's like someone is telling you a story and you're like, oh, правда? Серьезно? Правда? So basically it's like you're not asking, you're not really questioning, like, is it real? Is it serious? It's more like a linking word, like filler words, to show that, you know, you are listening carefully, you're not daydreaming, like you are engaged in the story that you are listening. And I will give you some examples, guys, how to use it in their actual meaning and how to use it in a more like linking filler way in everyday Russian. For example, you can say «Я правда очень устала». It's like I'm really very tired. «Я правда очень устала». It's like it's true that I'm really tired. I'm actually really tired. So you can use «правда» in the meaning of very sometimes. More like to intensify, to say like, actually it's true that I'm tired. I'm not joking right now. I'm not pretending. Это правда, что я устала. Or you can say они серьезно поссорились. Поссориться, it means to have a row, to quarrel about something, like to have a fight about something. Like if a couple can have a fight sometimes. Like they had a real serious fight yesterday. Они серьезно поссорились. Они серьезно поссорились. And here these two words are used in their more direct meaning. But now let's go through examples where these words are used in their filler meanings. Они начали встречаться. Правда? Они начали встречаться. Правда? They started dating. Really? So here, like, you are expressing, you're showing your surprise of this information. Они начали встречаться. Встречаться, it means to date. Like, they started dating. Правда? You also can say серьезно? It's like, really? Seriously? Or сегодня будет -40. Сегодня будет -40. Серьезно? Today it will be -40. Seriously? And actually, no, guys, it's not always -40 in Russia in winter. It depends what part of Russia you are speaking about. In Siberia, it's possible, but not everywhere as well. But in St. Petersburg and Moscow, in two major cities of Russia, we don't usually have like this weather. Usually it can be -20 sometimes, or even -15. That's more usual temperature for major cities. Ты отлично выглядишь. Ты отлично выглядишь. Правда? Спасибо. You look great. Really? Thank you. Ты отлично выглядишь. Правда? Спасибо. And if you're hearing the funny noises in the background, that's a firework, guys. Just some people are celebrating something, and because it's really hot, the windows are open, so you might be hearing this interesting sound from the street. Они уехали без нас. Они уехали без нас. Серьезно? They left without us. Seriously? So I hope it was useful, guys. This is it for today. And if you would like to have more Russian practice, every week at the weekend on my Patreon page, I post 1 hour Russian practice video, where together we are going through grammar and vocabulary. We go through it, we discuss it, we have a lot of practice that will help you to become more fluent and faster, and not to be afraid to use Russian, to speak it, knowing, like what phrases is appropriate to use in what situations. So if you would like to take a part, I will leave the link in the description box. You can check it out. It costs $10 a month, and you will have a video, 1 hour video every week at the weekend. And it will be there. You can check it anytime, which is convenient for you. So that's a cool practice to have. And if you would like to take more serious step to become fluent faster, I'm also tutoring. So together with my students, we discover Russian through a very revolutionary conversational technique that I created myself. We'll have a lot of conversations. I will walk you through, I will make you fluent with the vocabulary. I will explain to you like what grammar to use and what grammar is not that important for you now, for example, or where to focus first. And I will also leave my email in the description box, so send me a message and we'll schedule our first meeting. And I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye bye!